Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start eating.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today, like we told you, we have an epic video. We have, what we have, honey?
A jerk iguana for the first time.
A jerk iguana. Now, my husband cleaned it. He cooked it.
You know.
He skinned it.
You know.
He caught it.
You know.
Yeah, you're a professional, yo.
Jack of all trades.
Jack of all trades. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we've never tried this before, but before we try it, family, I do want to show you my outfit of the day.
Urban show, look at iguana weed.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
All right, guys, we are back, family, and I hope you liked my outfit of the day. We're going to show you some clips of how my husband skinned it, cleaned it, and also cooked it. And once again, guys, this is an
invasive
species, okay? So people do eat this, and we wanted to try it because we saw it on another YouTuber's channel, the IGUANAMAN, and we just wanted to try it and cook it our way.
Our style.
Our style. Okay, so without further ado, I'm very nervous.
You know.
Honey, I'm nervous.
First. Don't worry. I got your back. I'm going first. Don't worry about that.
But me know say I'm going to go first, but even if you go first, I'm still nervous.
Alright, but you can try after I try, man. Don't worry about it, man.
Alright, you go ahead and try. Oh, and we have some white rice.
And some special gravy.
Yes, and then we have some pear, aka avocado.
I'm going to try. I got too much.
Oh my gosh. Honey, we're nervous, man.
Wait. Oh. And iguana, the tail is just like an alligator. The tail got the most meat and the leg. So it's basically just the tail and the legs, right?
Yeah.
First lady?
Yeah.
Or you still could pinch, you know?
Yeah.
A little part of it.
So it's not going to be like, you know, like a chicken.
Chicken, yeah.
Yeah. Yes. You're going to be pinching at it because, especially up here, it doesn't have a lot of meat. Like my husband said, the main meat is in the legs and the tail.
Yeah.
And you notice the tail there in front of him where all the meat is. You see that? How that happen? You gonna try it?
Oh. You never try it, man.
Yo, it look juicy, no?
Juicy and some jerk it, man. Try it.
No, wait.
Come on. It's well seasoned.
Okay, let me...
Take a little pinch.
Let's take a little pinch.
Take a little pinch. Trust me. You trust me, right? You trust me with your life?
Yeah. Listen,
Go ahead.
Food. Wait a minute. Stop it.
This shit is... Look at it. Look at the meat.
It's just falling off the bone, for real.
Once you a jerk off.
Okay, let me
You better learn. Cause if you get stuck in the wild and you have to survive.
I'm all sweating.
You better do it.
Let me drink some water.
Drink some water. That is good. I'm not even gonna lie. For the first time, that is good. Believe you me, it is good. It's seasoned, tastes like chicken. Trust me. People gonna say, oh, everything tastes like chicken. I promise you. I wouldn't lie to you.
Okay, guys, I still have this little piece here. I'm gonna taste.
Try it now, Come on. Take your time, man. Take your time and try. You know the thing, man.
Damn, how you just...
It tastes, it's jerk. And it's seasoned. Look. I promise you. I won't lie to you. Eat it. Go ahead. Take your time.
You know what it is? Okay, this is it.
I used to see them on the...
Because I I see how they looked before. Now, don't get me wrong. It looks really good. Okay, it looks really, really, really good.
Yeah.
But because I see how they look. I know how they look, and then he cleaned it in front of me. It's like,
Okay.
family thing. I'm just gonna try it.
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Shoot.
Wow.
How does it taste to you, first lady? Be honest. Be honest. Tastes nice, huh? You didn't expect that, huh?
I don't like it.
You like it? Okay.
I'm like,
No.
wait, it tastes really good.
I told you. A lot of people eat it.
And if I'm eating this, you know.
You know, because she don't. Next time I'll give you a frog.
No. Can never give me a frog.
She hates frog. If a frog jump right now over here, she runs.
Run. Everything knock away.
See? Gotta pick up. Watch this part.
Wow, that's a good piece.
It's a good piece. I know you moving back. Don't do it. I know you doing it.
Listen,
Huh?
don't knock it till you try it, because I was very. Let me tell you
You said
something.
the same
For the
thing.
past 3 days, I was afraid. I was saying to you, but the barbecue sauce tastes good, honey.
Barbecue sauce nice, right? Because I can't eat my rice here. No. Gotta eat the rice. Nice, right?
It tastes really good. For the
first time.
past 3 days,
You
I've
did.
been nervous.
Nervous. You conquer your fear, girls. Come on now. Conquer your fear. And it's seasoned right,
Tasting
right?
good. Perfect.
Told you I got you.
And it's so soft.
Tender. Soft and nice. Yeah.
Guys, just come off the bone.
Yeah.
It's not tough.
Because it's cooked right.
Look at that.
Cooked right. It was worth
So
it.
for your first time making it,
Talk to me.
you think anybody can make this?
I mean, you could if you want to try it. You will definitely make it. Because we wanted to try it. So we definitely, you know.
My
But
husband,
it's not an easy task.
it's
People.
not an easy task. But my husband has been saying, I want to try iguana. Guys, I not even know how he talked me into this. I don't even know how we're here today
That's true.
eating iguana.
That's true. You gotta do it for the family. You know?
You do it for the family.
Gotta be different, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And what we doing? We're eating.
We're eating. But when it was in the oven, my God, it smelled so good. You want to still alive? Just move.
I'm good. First day, did we show them the video?
Oh, of how we made it?
Come on.
All right, guys, we're going to show you the video of how we... Why can I
Prepared
say we? How my husband prepared it, seasoned it. All right? Check it out. And also, it may be a little bit graphic, so if you're young or if it's something that you don't want to see, you can, fast forward it or you can stop the video here, okay? But we still love you guys. What you got there?
What's in the bag? pepper.
So this is our first time making it, but we have something in mind. We thought about it and we said, you know what? This is what we're gonna do. So this is what we're gonna do, and then tomorrow we're gonna marinate, and tomorrow we're gonna nyam it.
Jerk iguana.
Jerk iguana. All right, guys. So the iguana, jerk iguana. Tell me, so that don't look good. Tell me it doesn't look good. Look at that.
Chef is at it again.
Oh, chef up on it. First time making iguana, and he looked like he's a professional.
We're back.
I hope you liked that video, and like I said, it is a little bit graphic, but remember, the same thing that we did to the iguana, somebody did to a cow, to a chicken, to a pig.
Yeah.
You know.
And we're eating. We just did a killing just for nothing.
Yeah. Just, oh my God.
Look right here now. Look at all the meat I'm gonna tear off.
Honey, there's some parts that has so much seasoning. This is the best choice.
Jerking.
Yeah, man.
You can't go wrong with jerk.
But you know, we have a lot of recipes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna
we got a lot of recipes.
Definitely go see our friend.
Yeah. And
the IGUANAMAN, and cook some food with him.
We're gonna throw it down. This is so seasoned.
If he tastes this,
trust me, if he tastes this, huh? Wow. First lady, it is so nice and seasoned. It's not too overpowering. No? Just right, right?
Just right.
And it's spicy like who?
Like me. Like
you, always. You know that.
It tastes like I'm actually eating a chicken.
Honestly, I'm trying to tell you the serious thing. They won't know unless they try it.
Unless they try it. But again, it's not an animal that has a lot of meaty. You know?
Just like the gator. It doesn't have a limit. It's just the tail and what part you trying to get?
I got it.
Got it? Okay. You know I'll save you.
Ooh, shit.
Go with shit, that's all. Bullshit. What do we get some, my girl? Wow, I'm not gonna lie. For the first time that
you did a good job.
You did this.
You did a good job. Let me tell you something. Even the hunting was it was hot as hell out there. It was hot. Wow. And I feel like I'm talking out loud.
No, you're good.
Oh.
And all the meat is on here. Look at this.
Yeah. It was hot out there.
Oh, look at all that meat. Look at that.
I hope you guys watch the video of us hunting it. It's a really funny video. It's really good. That's a good amount of meat.
And we give you a special treatment with our hands.
Oh yeah, we're eating with our hands today. Let's stuff the rice. But you have to eat this with your hands.
Yeah, you have to. Look at this one, First Lady.
You can see the tail.
Okay. It's
good. That's why I put the tail on his side. Because there's no way.
You see when they're greedy? They're frying food, man.
I see people eat.
Worse than this.
Snake.
This is good, I want to try
alligator. Snake. Sorry, my rice fell on my dress. I'm gonna yum it.
Hey, you know what today?
Oh shit.
You know what?
I thought it was the iguana.
I like when we cook our own rice. You know why? I don't have to count the rice then.
Whatever. You mean you like when you have your own plates? Even honey, you had your own plate yesterday at Donna's, and you still complain.
A lady hand short.
Everybody's hand short. My hand short. Everybody hand short. My braids got in my guys. I'm gonna take my braids out. It's time to go now. Men, they don't understand when you don't feel pretty. It's time to take your hair out.
You don't feel pretty?
My hair is old now.
You're pretty every day.
So sweet. And here's, oh, I have my rice down here. That's what I'm eating.
Yo. We outdid ourselves today.
See, I have the iguana meat inside the rice. I break it off and I drop it in the rice.
We outdid it, First Lady. Get up on there, get some of that meat.
I said to my husband, I said, how you know how to cook it though? He was like, can't be that hard. You cook it like it's jerk chicken. And then on top of that, they only eat fruits and vegetable.
Mm-hmm.
So the meat is tender.
Mm-hmm.
It's not gonna take forever to cook.
Yes.
Like a goat.
Not a goat.
So you see my one? Look at that.
Yeah,
I'm
go
gonna
on.
eat that enough.
Yeah, go on. Good man. It's so
I'm
seasoned.
gonna eat that. Let me tell you.
Are you eat that?
I'm gonna eat that. I'm this. Cause see, like right here, there's really not any meat. There's a little bit of meat, like little pieces, but
yeah, those pieces you have to pinch.
Pinch. You'll be here all day.
Yeah, but the most is on
The tail.
the tail, as we said before.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a strip. You just like look. Just get like a strip.
Oh, I got one right here.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Show them that one.
It's a good piece.
That's a good piece right there.
I think I can see that.
First lady, I'm proud of you. You conquered one of your fears.
Listen, let me tell you something. Don't even think about me trying to frog. I would never do it. Ever.
Mm-hmm. You know what? You know what I want to eat next though for real?
What?
Stingray.
A stingray?
Yeah. People catch them all the time and eat them. I gotta show you.
A stingray. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I had to think about it.
What's going on over here?
And we see them all the time when we go to the Keys.
Mm-hmm.
But how you catch them though? Because you gotta be careful with those.
Yeah. Yo, I'm just finding a big piece of the meat.
Finding a big piece of the meat then. See? Another piece with the iguana meat in it. And I want you to think I'm not eating it. Because it's good.
It's good.
It's really good.
Because it's jerk. Real right.
Everything is good.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean?
It's jerk.
But that's not true. Some people make jerk stuff and it don't taste good. So.
I can't take off your clothes. I
I
get
got this here. My clothes drop off my
in here. You're going to make it take off your clothes.
They got me to bust a dance.
Drop. You ain't got no sense. Hey, remember we got to save some for your daughter.
Oh, yeah. I just want to try it.
Save some for her.
Well, my son said, deuces, count me out. My daughter said, I'll try it.
I'll try it.
And every time,
You're a high roller.
when she opened up the oven, she's like, wow, that looks so good. Came out good.
Cook good, right?
Mm-hmm. Yo.
See? We
Yeah,
ain't
well,
joking.
good. Mm-hmm. Like I said, there's meat here, but it's little.
It's little, so you can work on the little part.
Mm-hmm.
Because you're a little lady, so you work on the little part. You can drop it like I just know, Look, we don't part this.
Oh, there's a piece over here.
What?
Piece of leg.
But for real, family, if you never tried this,
You should try it.
y'all should try it. We're not going to lie to y'all.
I mean, you don't understand how nervous I was about trying it.
Yep, she sure was.
I couldn't sleep.
Mm-hmm.
I said, what if I get on the camera and I don't like it?
Mm-hmm. You did say that. Excuse me.
But it's so weird, you know why? Because if I go, they have those places where you pick a chicken out and you kill it.
Mm-hmm.
They kill it and then you take it home.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I can eat that now. And it's weird because I eat chicken all the time and I don't even think about it.
Yeah.
But to go there and say I want that one, I don't know. It's weird.
Every animal, before you eat it, they have to kill it, right?
I know.
Okay.
But it's still weird. Because even when we was in Jamaica,
Yeah.
and they killed the goat. And you know what I mean? We love curry goat.
I love it. Love it different.
I had to get my mind out of it so I can eat the goat, you know? I don't know. It's weird. Do you guys do that?
What?
Like if you see something get killed, you can't eat it again.
Mm-hmm. No, I don't mind right now because I meet me at 4 because I don't. Wow. It was sure worth it.
It came out really
I
good.
did.
Good choice.
Kudos to that.
So if you was to make another recipe, the main part that you would get is the tail
There's a tail
and the legs.
and the legs, yeah.
Yeah,
Look at this part. This part got so much seasoning in there.
that's a good amount of seasoning.
Mm-mm.
Damn. Good amount of seasoning.
Mm-hmm. The legs and the tail. You know?
That's what I have is a leg that I'm working on right now. Because this one is gone. I finished this one already.
You're doing good in here,
And I broke that one off.
And this basically look like the rib. See?
Yeah, just the
There's
ribs.
a rib, but you could pinch out of it. There's just the rib, but it's the meat them is up here. So I got all the meat part.
Yeah.
I got to sit on the boss part. You know what I'm saying? Boss life.
Would you would try a snake?
Yeah. Jerk him too. Yeah, man. Everything get jerked.
That's my mother. My mother jerks everything. Everything get jerked. She jerked a turkey.
From you could jerk, believe it or not. From you could jerk, you could cook. You could do anything.
Yeah.
A lot of people can't jerk chicken. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's so simple.
Yeah.
And people might see this and think it's done on the grill.
Yeah. No, the grill would have dried it out because it's too delicate.
Yeah, but they gotta know how to do it.
Yeah. Yeah. Put it in the oven.
Yep.
It's the best thing to do because it's like, and again, wow. Wow. It's like he put it in the oven, but he covered it the whole time. If he had left this uncovered, it'd have dried out.
I cover it because because you gotta cook it. It's steamed down, basically.
Steam it down, yeah.
And then after it's steamed down, gets soft. Which you ain't seen. They won't see in the video, but
Yeah.
steam down, get soft. Then you just take off the cover
Yeah.
to darken it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's the only part with this. It don't have a lot of meat,
Not a lot of meat, yeah.
but it's good.
But it's good.
Yeah.
When you find the meat, it's good. Honey, we gotta save something for Timia.
Oh shit! I
She's
forgot we gotta do.
not gonna want to Latina because she might.
I'm gonna put some on my plate for her. The meat part, right? Yeah, we can. That's my rider right there. My daughter,
She wants
she
to try
tries
it.
anything with me. She's not afraid of like her mother, but her mother did good today. Gotta save some for her. You know, family? My son said he don't want none of this. Yankee.
He said you can see him on the flip side.
Yo, the way this good, you know? You
Yo.
can't see it, Ariel.
Tom, when you pick that up,
What?
there ain't nothing left. Yo, your side clean. Look on my yo.
Yo, don't watch no face, man. As we said, I wish it had some more meat. But it's good, though. It's over here, bro.
I hear her coming in.
She now come. See? The ribs. See? There's not really no
Yeah.
meat there. Just the
There's no
rib.
meat on there.
I'll try to get some meat. What do you think? We'll get some more meat? Scavengers, huh?
Yeah. Well, at least we know. If we get in the wild
We know how
and
to do
the
it.
iguana is there, we're gonna yam it. Oh, yeah, skin out the iguana, some man.
You're gonna freak, man. Freak, you go on this. You want to show them the bottom of it?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
And also, we did thank the iguana for sacrificing his life. So,
Look
you
at the
know,
bottom. See? That's just the rib cage. There's no meat in there.
there's no meat in there because it's
Yeah.
a
We already took out
animal.
everything out of there already.
But believe it or not, they get even bigger than
They get
this.
bigger than this.
I can imagine the big one have a lot of meat.
Tail part. Look at this little part of the tail, and it has so much
And
in
it has
there.
so much meat. Wow.
But yeah,
My clothes are just come off for me, so.
we go on and make it get hot tonight, please. But I would do it again, though. I'll do it again.
Yeah. We're not going to tell you the recipe that we're going to do
Yeah.
again. It's going to be a surprise. When we do it again, it's going to be
I'm
another
so mad I
epic
can't
video.
get no more meat.
We're going to say finish it at time.
No, it is done. You just got pluck out of it. Try and get some meat for your daughter.
Just
What's that? If there's meat up there, let me get them.
barely.
I ate up all the meat? Don't say that to me.
I'm glad you said you. So normally you say we.
No, we, my mouth and your
And
mouth.
now
You know?
we.
My mouth and your mouth.
Kisses.
We going hard, right? And scabbage, we gotta find it.
And then it's not just a jerkin. Because anybody can. Oh, here's something right here, baby. A good piece for her. Anybody can jerk, but it's a seasoning. Remember, you don't just go to the store and buy some jerk sauce and throw it on something.
Yeah.
Season it a little bit
gotta
before.
season.
You know?
Season
With
to where
some
you like
onions
it,
and.
Oh, man.
Yo, the iguana done it?
Done, man. I just a rib cage, man. That's the only problem. The meat is not that much, but What? There's nothing over here?
You can check.
I want to check. See? It's the ribs. So, wow.
Oh, ribs. Okay.
Get him. Get him. Where?
We're finished?
No, I'm trying to find some more. I got a little bit. I knowing her, she ain't gonna want that much anyway. So it was worth it, right?
It was very much
see
worth
some right
it.
here in his head.
Very much worth it.
Okay.
Guys, we ate it all. There's nothing left.
No meat. TL. All the meat was
Everything done.
pretty much done. Pretty done.
Now when I pick, I don't feel nothing to take off.
Nothing. Nothing.
Before I used
before
to.
you get a lot.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Oh man, you got enough? Where's my meat? Yo, the seasoning. You season the hell out of this. Mud.
Again, you gotta season your food.
But look, like even when I just do this.
Yeah.
And
it's moist, huh?
it was really good. I'm glad I tried it.
Thank you.
I'm glad I tried it.
Face your fears. Thank you. She was going crazy, like, no.
But
You did it for the family, right?
I did it for the family.
You gotta be different, you know? You gotta make the channel be different, right? Okay, let me get a little piece more right here. Alright.
Guys, we demolished this iguana.
I just wish you had some more, but I appreciate it. Thank you. You alright?
I'm full. This iguana full me
It
up.
was good for the first time.
It was good for the first time.
Thank you.
Alright guys, we're going to end the video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share.
Share, get this one out here because this one is epic.
This is the epic one, guys.
This one haven't been done before, please.
So share it and let us know if you would try this in the comment section. You know, let us know. Or let us know what you've tried that maybe somebody else might be like, I'm not going to try it. Let us know.
And we'll try, well, I will try then make her try it too.
Yeah, he talked me into this really good. Alright guys, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great time and we will see you tomorrow for another one.
Bye.
No, I messed you up.
No, we good. Let's go. Bye.
I messed you up.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him.